All right, so example 18 says, solve the equation, the mod of 2x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 is equal to 0. So let us have a look at how our results could help us. In the top left, you will see results 2. And essentially results 2 says that the mod of 2x plus 1 multiply by x minus 2. Results 2 is saying essentially that this is equal to the mod of 2x plus 1 multiply by the mod of x minus 2. So therefore, this is saying that the mod of 2x plus 1 multiply by, let's put in the multiplication sign, multiply by the mod of x minus 2 is equal to 0. So that is what 18 is saying. What does this mean? Now, looking at the definition, here we're multiplying two things and we're getting 0. If you're multiplying two things and you're getting 0, then it's the first thing that is equal to 0, or the second number that is equal to 0. So we use results 2 to separate the mod of 2x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 into the mod of 2x plus 1 multiplied by the mod of x minus 2. So then we have what? We are multiplying two numbers and we're getting 0. And if you're multiplying two numbers and you're getting 0, it is either the first number is 0 or the second number that is 0. Now, using the definition for the modulus function, which is to the right, if the mod of x is equal to 0, it means that x must also be equal to 0. So if the mod of 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, it is because 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or if the mod of x minus 2 is equal to 0, it is because x minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to minus a half, or x is equal to 2, is the solution of the equation. The mod of 2x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 2 is equal to 0. All right, example 19. Example 19 says, solve the equation, the mod of 3x plus 1 over x plus 2 is equal to 2. Now, in solving this, all right, so as I said, in solving this, I would use results 3. And essentially, results 3 says that the mod of x over y is equal to the mod of x divided by the mod of y. So therefore, equation 3 becomes the mod of 3x plus 1 over the mod of x plus 2 is equal to 2. The next thing I would do is I would get rid of the fractions by cross multiplying. If I do, I'm going to end up with the mod of 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 times the mod of x plus 1. Then using results 1, this is results 1, the mod of x squared is equal to x squared. But before we go to results 1, I'm going to square both sides. All right, so I'm going to square both sides. If I do, I'm going to get the mod of 3x plus 1 square is equal to 4 times the mod of x plus 1 square. Now, using results 1, the mod of 3x plus 1 square is the same as saying 3x plus 1 square is equal to 4 times x plus 1 square. All right, squaring both sides, I'm going to end up with 9x squared plus 6x plus 1 is equal to 4 into x squared plus 2x plus 1. Distributive law, I have 4x squared plus 8x plus 4, and this is equal to 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. This is a quadratic equation, and the first step in solving a quadratic equation is that one side of the equation must be equal to 0. So now I have 9x squared minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 8x plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So everything that was on the right, I bring it over to the left. I'm going to be left with 5x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, let's see if we can factorize this equation. I'm guessing it can be factorized. 5x here, x here, 1 here, 3 here. Negative here, positive here is equal to 0. So I just factorize the left side by using trial and error. So now I'm multiplying two numbers and I'm getting 0. So if I'm multiplying two numbers and I'm getting 0, it is either the first is equal to 0 or the second that is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 over 5, or x is equal to 1 are the solutions of the equation.